good. I'll let you eat on my shoulder.
Oh, she'll stay there when you eat?
She'll...
Cute. Thank you. Oh, look at her. Isn't she precious? She walks on your shoulder.
Oh,
She should be very fortunate.
come on, Bird. That wasn't nice. You want to sit over here?
Oh.
I'll get you a dish. Yes, I'll get you a dish. Hold on. Oops. There you go. All right.
Oh, look at her. Isn't that sweet?
Breeding farm. It wasn't exactly a store. It was out in the...
That's right. It's called the Canary Bird Farm.
Oh, she's so cute.
Oh.
That bird is so affectionate. Little cuddler.
She's greedy for affection.
Oh.
Oh, she deserves some affection.
Yeah, she's so quiet.
What was I doing? Presuming on you, Bird? So what about you? Yes, you're good, Bird. You're good. Yeah, why don't you shake your feathers out and look sort of right? You can tell that she's a little bit uneasy because her feathers aren't smooth. She's got her feathers sort of
Oh.
out a little bit.
Why do you suppose she's uneasy?
Because you're
You're not-
here.
Oh.
Because she's not sitting in her normal
She's
spot.
not sitting in the normal spot.
Oh, where is it? Where I am? She is her.
She usually
No,
sits
she
here.
sits here.
Yes, you do. Mm-hmm. Yes, you do.
And again, she's fairly sleek. She's not moaning now.
You don't get mine.
Has she ever had one?
Mm-hmm.
Did she get drunk?
Not really, no. But it really wasn't a good idea.
Good. Right.
Yeah.
Get more than one fancy dessert every other day.
That's right.
I think Bird wants some more.
Look, Bird, if you want to eat some more, you got it over here. You're a messy eater. Is that okay? The bird store, my partner and I both bred some of the birds that
Oh.
we sold. Not parrots, but we bred canaries and quite a number of different varieties of finches and doves. And Lee, my partner, bred cockatiels and lovebirds. At one point, what did I figure? We had 100 birds in the house?
Yeah.
Here?
Here,
Oh
yeah.
my goodness.
Built a big aviary with screens.
Oh my goodness. Must have seemed empty after they all left.
Mm-hmm. But the trick is that you have high-priced finches laying eggs, and you take the eggs away and put them under not high-priced finches
Yeah.
to raise them.
Yeah.
Society finches who really
Then-
like raising kids.
The high-priced finches lay another clutch of eggs. So you get 2 for the 1.
Mm. And the object was to sell the high-priced finches, or?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
The idea was to
Yeah. And I don't think we raised parakeets either because they were so easy to get a hold of.